This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, students. In today's calls, also we are going to be discuss about problems on RH criteria, and this is the last class we can discuss about RH criteria, and from next class onwards we will go for next topic. So listen carefully. What we are going to be discussing today, that is most probably you will get in your semester exam. So these are questions are previous semester exam questions. So listen carefully, and if you have any doubt, just clarify it in the classes. So let's move on to the topic. So first of all, note down the question here. So the question is, by Routh stability criteria, determine the stability of the system represented by static equation 9s power 5 minus 20s power 4 plus 10s cubed minus s square minus 9s minus 10. So this is the question. Comment on the location of roots of static equation. So first of all, you had to be find out how many roots are. So already result was given. Let me see that whether the result is correct or not. So the higher order is 5, right? So first of all, we can note down this in decreasing order. S power 5, S power 4, S cubed, S square, S power 1, and S power 0. So the first term is odd number, right? So first row you have to be construct with respect to that odd coefficient. So you'll get 9, 10, then minus 9. Next minus 20, minus 1, minus 10. Find the S cubed row. What you will get here? You find the S cubed row. I need entire terms in the S cubed row. So the first term in the S cubed row you'll get 9.55. Next 20 into minus 9, minus 20 into minus 9, minus of 9 into minus 10 divided by minus 20. చేయండి ఏమొస్తుందో. Minus 20 into minus 9, minus of 9 into minus 10 divided by minus 20. So minus 13.5. And remaining is 0. So next minus 13.5 it is. And next 9.55 into minus 1 minus minus 20 into minus 13.5 divided by 9.55. So you'll get minus 29.27. Next, 9.55 into minus 10 and minus 0 divided by, so you'll get minus 10 here. And remaining is 0. So S1 term, minus 13.5 into minus 29.27 minus of 9.55 into minus 10 divided by minus 29.27. So minus 16.76, then 0, and here also 0. Finally, you will get minus 10. So this is the elements row array you can construct here. Now you can see the first column. So there is a sign changes. So you can see there is negative sign in the first column. It is unstable system. Now let us see that 3 roots. So from here to here, 1 change, next 2, next 3. So there are three sign changes. It means that 3 roots are lying on right half of S plane and 2 remain. So for totally you will get the 5, right? In that 5, out of 5, 3 roots on RH side and 2 roots on LH side. So this is the stability and location of roots for this given problem. Right? Now let's move on to the next problem. You see the next problem. So that is what we discussed in last class. That is last problem. Same thing, same problem we are going to discuss now. So the question is, the chaotic polynomial system is the given chaotic equation. Determine the location of roots on S plane and hence the stability of the system. So we have to find that location of poles and stability of the system. The given chaotic equation is S power 7 plus 9s power 6 plus 24 s power 5, next 24 s power 4, plus 24 s cubed, plus 24 s square, plus 23s plus 15. Is equals to 0. So this is the given cat equation. Now we have to find that how many roots are lying on S plane and what is the stability condition of this system. So first of all, construct the row array. So first I'm going to be construct the row array. The higher order is S power 7, S power 6, S power 5, S power 4, S cubed, S square, S power 1, then S power 0. So terms we have to write. Now the higher order is odd number, right? So first of all, the first row should be maintained with respect to that odd numbers. So first of all, write that odd numbers. So the first row you can get 1, 24, 24, 23, and second row you can get 9, 24, 23. Sorry, 23 is not. 9, 24, 24, and 50. So this is the first row and second row. Then find the S power fifth row. See, you can reduce this counting also by dividing by 3. So you can write here by 3. So you can write 3 3 is 9. Next you can write 8 here because 3 is 24. And here also you can write 8 and 5. Here 8 and 5. Then find the first element of S power 5. 24 into 3 minus 8 divided by 3. So you will get so its value is 21.33. Let's find the second term in S power 5. So the second term also will get the same value, that is yes 21.33. So for here also you will get same parameter 21.33. Next third term in S power 5. So you will get same value 8 into 23 minus 24 into 5. 8 into 23 minus, sorry, 3 into 23 minus 5 divided by 21 point. See the what you will get. 3 into 23 minus 5 divided by 3. So same you will get 21.33. Next your last value is 0. Next to find the S power 4 terms. What is the first term in S power 4? Right. Wait, I will check. 8 into 21.33 minus 3 into 21.33 divided by 21.33. So its value is 5. So as x power 6 row need 3 to divisible JD. So you'll get 3885 and 21.33 into 8 minus 21.33 into 3 divided by 21.33. If you get 5. Similarly, 21.33 into 8 and same. So here also you will get same, right? So 5. Next, 21.33 into 5 minus 0 divided by 21. So you will get same. And then 0. Next, find the first term in S cubed. So if you see that s power 5, s power 4 row having the same values, if you simplify this, then s cubed also will get the zeros for all terms, 0, 0, and 0, 0. Now, see, this is the case one. If one of the row in any row, the all elements become 0, what we have to consider? What we have to do? ఏం చేయాలి దీని తర్వాత? What is the next step we have to do? If all elements are 0 in a single row, we have to be considered that auxiliary equation. So our auxiliary equation means the above elements are 0. So 0 s cubed row complete the zeros వచ్చాయి. So we need to be considered that above row. So that is s power 4. So the auxiliary equation you will get A is equals to 5s power 4 plus 5s square plus 5. Now what we have to do now? So this equation all consists of 5, right? So I'm going to be divisible by 5. Then I will get A is equals to s power 4 plus s square plus 1. Next, we have to do that differentiation of A with respect to s, dA by ds. Then you will get 4s cubed plus 2s plus 0. So this is the s cubed term. So now I am going to be rearrange that s cubed term here. So one is 4, 2, and 0. Then we can find that s square term. 4 5s are 20 minus 10 divided by 4. So 10 by 4, 2.5. 4 into 5 minus 5 into 0 divided by 4. So 4 5s are 20 minus 20 by 4 we will get 5, then 0. Next, s power 1. 2.5 into 2 minus 4 5s are 20 divided by 2.5 minus 6. Next 0 and 0. So last term, what you will get last term? S power 0 term. Right, 5. Now, if you see this first column, how many sign changes? So first to first. So here positive to negative, that is one time. Negative to positive, it means that 2 times are sign changed. Now this system is unstable. Now we are going to be find that how many roots are lying. Ante roots anevi ekkadakada locate ayina we need to be find that. Okay, so that is the first one is whether it is stable or unstable we need to find, and second one is where the roots are located. So now I am going to be find that second one. So to find generally it has the 7 roots, right? So out of 7 clearly shows that two sign changes. So it means that 2 roots are lying on RH side. And we need to find that remaining 5 అనేవి రియల్ యాక్సెస్ లో ఉన్నాయా లేదా ఇమాజినరీ యాక్సెస్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? సో నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి కన్సిడర్ దట్ ఆక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఆక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఆక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్, రైట్? s power 4 plus s square plus 1 equals to 0. So we need to find the roots for this equation. So here it is not possible to find the s power 4, right? So just I am going to be assume s square equals to x. We get x square plus x plus 1. So now we are going to be find the roots of this equation. So then find the roots. So here a is equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c equals to 1. The formula for finding the roots is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2e. So this is the formula for finding the roots. Then find that what is the roots we will get here. So if you substitute the all terms, minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2. Now I can write this one minus 1 by 2 plus or minus. So here root minus 3 is there, right? So you will get so minus ఉంటే బయటకు వస్తే j అవుతుంది and minus j root 3 by 2. Now here you can simply say that its value is minus 0.5 plus or minus j root 3 by 2. What is the value of root 3 by 2? What is the value of root 3 by 2? Zero 0.866. This is the x value. Okay, now s is equals to so s is equals to s square equals to x, right? Then we need to find that x. So s is equals to root plus or minus root x. Okay, so if you simplify this equation, you can get the roots. So you can see here out of 7 roots, 2 roots are lying on R side and remaining should be located on the LH side. So these roots are not in axis. So ఇక్కడ quadrant ఇలాంటి పాయింట్స్ అనేవి quadrant లో లొకేట్ అవుతాయి కాంప్లెక్స్ రూట్స్ అనేది ఎలా అంటే సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ minus 0.5. So minus 0.5 is locating here plus j 0.6. So it should be so. It means that this particular root is not locating at particular axis. So ఇలాంటి పాయింట్ మనం కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోకూడదు. So we are not considering these roots, and out of 7 roots 2 roots are RHS and remaining 5 should be locating on the LH side. So this is the way we are going to be find this problem. So next problem is so determine the range of K for stability of unity feedback system whose open loop transfer function is. So G of S is equal to K divided by S into S plus 1 into S plus 2. So once again I am going to repeat the question. Determine the range of K for stability of unity feedback system whose open loop transfer function is G of S equals to K divided by S into S plus 1 into S plus 2. In this problem, so maximum ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీకు 5 మార్క్స్ కానీ 10 మార్క్స్ కానీ అడుగుతారు డైరెక్ట్ గా ఓకేనా సో హియర్ we are going to be find that unknown parameter of value of K. So what is the question they ask me is suppose if you want to make this system as stability, so ఈ system stability అవ్వాలంటే K value యొక్క ranges ఎంత ఉండాలి, what is the value of K, it should be lies in between అంటే 0 to 1 మధ్యలో ఉండాలా 0 to 2 మధ్యలో ఉండాలి. So you need to find the value of K for making the stability. So first of all you have to find the characteristic equation. So the given problem having this G of S is equals to K divided by S into S plus 1 into S plus 2, and what is the H of S value here? So it is unity feedback, right? So its value is 1. Now the equation of characteristic equation is given by, so characteristic equation formula వచ్చేసి one plus G of S H of S equals to 0. So this is the formula for characteristic equation. Now from this 1 plus K divided by S into S plus 1 into S plus 2 into 1 is equals to 0. So into 1. So no need to write. If you do the cross multiplication, S into S plus 1 into S plus 2 into S plus 2 plus K equals to 0. Now you expand this term, S square plus 2S. So first S to multiply S into S plus 2 plus K equals to 0. Next S cubed plus 2S square plus 2S square plus 4S plus K equals to 0. So finally we will get the characteristic equation is S cubed plus 3S square or 4S. See here, sorry, it is S plus 1, right? So this is 1 S square plus S, so S cubed 2S square. Next it is only S square and it is 2S. So finally we'll get S cubed plus 3S square plus 2S plus K equals 0. So this is the characteristic equation. Now I am going to be find that so here I am got S cubed plus 2S square, S cubed plus 3S square plus 2S plus k. So this is the characteristic equation. Now I am going to be construct the growth array. So s cube, s square, s power 1, s power 0. So the first higher order is odd number, right? You can get odd coefficient 1, 2, next 3, k. What will get? 6 minus k divided by 3. 6 minus k divided by 3, and here 0. What is the first term in s power 0? S power 0 ఎంత వస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్? What is the value you get here? Right, k. Now we need to find that k value for making the stability. So first s power 0 కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ k ఉంది కదా, ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఇది స్టెబిలిటీ కావాలంటే ఈ ఫస్ట్ రో లో నెగటివ్ సైన్ ఉండకూడదు. ఓకేనా, నెగటివ్ సైన్ ఉండకూడదు, 0 ఉండకూడదు. ఇట్ మీన్స్ దట్ k వాల్యూ ఈస్ షుడ్ బి గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0. 0 కన్నా ఎంత ఉన్నా ఈ పర్టికులర్ రో అనేది స్టెబిలిటీ కండిషన్ ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. సో ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెబిలిటీ కండిషన్ ఇస్ k మస్ట్ బి గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్ 6 minus k divided by 3. ఓకేనా, ఇప్పుడు k అనేది ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6. k అనేది 6 అనేది ఉండకూడదు. ఒకవేళ 6 ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది? సో ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్, సో ఇట్ విల్ గెట్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. ఓకేనా, సో అప్పుడు 3 యూ విల్ గెట్ 0. సో 0 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి స్టెబిలిటీ కాదు. సో ఇట్ మీన్స్ దట్ k షుడ్ బి లెస్ దాన్ 6. 6 కన్నా ఎంత వాల్యూ అయినా కానీ ఇక్కడ నీకు పాజిటివ్ సైన్ వస్తుంది. సో by knowing these two conditions you can make this system as stable. So from these two conditions it is concluded that the k value should be less in between 0 and 6. This is the answer. For making the stability of this system, the k value should be less in between 0 and 6. So 0 కి 6 మధ్యలో ఎంత వాల్యూ పెట్టుకున్నాం ఈ ఒక సిస్టమ్ అనేది స్టెబిలిటీ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, సో ఇలా కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అవుతాయి. అంటే ఫైండ్ ద రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ k, ఓకేనా, ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఒకవేళ 3 మార్క్స్ కానీ 2 మార్క్స్ కానీ అడిగితే మనం ఇంతకుముందు ప్రీవియస్ చేస్తాం కదా, ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అడతారు. లేదు 5 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ కనుక అడిగితే దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ యూ కెన్ గెట్. ఓకేనా, సో ఇంకా 2-3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఆ k వాల్యూ పైన, అవి నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఓకేనా, సో నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో వచ్చేసి ఇంకా 2-3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అవి అయిపోతానే we will go for next topic. So okay students, this is about today class. I am going to end this class now. Thank you.